Michelle here, and I'm going to show you how to reinstall your seat cover and your harness onto your Foodoo Highchair. So to remove one, you have to remove the other, so I'm just going to show you all together. Let's put our seat back on first. Not all the way. We're just going to get it situated on its seat frame like this. Okay. So we're going to work backwards from when we took it off, and we're going to install our harness waist straps first because the seat has to be kind of off. So orient your straps. We're going to start with this side. We're going to put this clip through the hole in here. Okay. Then we're going to go through the first hole, the more round hole, and back through the thinner hole. There. Okay, and that is a secure waist harness strap right there. Okay, let's do the other side. Don't forget to orient. It'll help you because the waist straps have this little ring on it too. Help you find them. Okay, through the seat. And then again, back through the round hole. Back around into the thinner hole. The fabric can get caught. There we go. There. Now, those are secure. Now you can put your seat back over the top, like so. Okay, now we're going to do the crotch strap. Through the seat, and then through this hole, straight down. You're going to find it underneath and pull it through. Super easy. That's secure. Then for the last parts of the harness, the shoulder straps. So we're going to push it through, bring it in, and pull it till it snaps. So easy. Do it again. Pull it through. Pull it. Snaps. Okay. Now don't forget to snap. Oh no, you got to put these little tabs through the seat right there. Then you want to snap the sides. And you've reinstalled your seat cover and harness.